I would say to a young person, you can choose a life of ease and comfort, or you can choose a life of service and adventure. Which one of those, when you're 90 years old, are you going to be more proud of?
Have you ever looked around you? That how these young entrepreneurs living their dream life, luxury cars, fancy mansions, and exotic vacations, and much more, without worrying about their money, location, and their most precious time. It's look unreal, right? But trust me, it's not their luck. It's a strategy behind it that allows them to build the massive wealth, create freedom, and live their life in their own terms. In today's world, everyone is working harder than ever, long hour shifts, constant focusing on hustle. But there is a strange part came that tells they are working harder comparing to those, but it will make a least. While on the other hand, they are creating insane amount with less efforts or sometimes requires less time. In India, a neurosurgeon make around 25 to 30 lakh a year. This is verified by pay scale. That's after years of intense medical training and hard work. But creators like Dhruv Rathi, Raj Shamani, who talk about their business, finance, and education, are earning way more through YouTube, brand deals, and speaking gigs. As content empire is worth crores now. And if you took an international sense, Graham and Stephen and Ali Abdal and much more like Daniel Bitton, Jordan Welch, and Iman Ghazi make over 5 to 10 million a year, just sharing financial advice and productive tips. Social Blade report shows that creators' consistency earning 10 to 50 lakh per annum. The internet didn't just level up the playing field, it flipped it completely. I'm not hating or criticizing their position, but I will showing you that how they are making insane amounts. I know some professional starts work on their brand model, but I think might some are not starting yet. So without any further delay, let's start the process. So let's start the process with someone who perfectly represent the new wave of wealth. None other than Iman Ghazi. You know about him? Don't worry, I will tell you. Iman Gandhi is an British entrepreneur, investor, and agency owner and owns a high personal brand reputation in the market. He dropped out of school at age of 17.
I'm officially the 17-year-old high school dropout.
He started his journey from scratch, came from a struggling background, and created a massive amount of wealth. He operates his agency, which provide paid advertising and other physical business services. He also runs several businesses like Flozy, their software company, and Gadzi and Big Day, and many much more. So you might be think that their main and most important revenue source is agency, which he started earlier. Yes? No. He earns most amount of his wealth from selling his courses. I will explain you. Eman also runs an online course selling website called Educate. His latest course, and it might be expensive, called Agency Accelerator, in which he gives his knowledge about how to run and grow an agency. The price of this course is around $1,499. Now, assuming if 1% of his subscribers buy his course is 55,000, and if I multiply by this into 1,499 is 8 crore 24 lakh 45,000 in dollars. It's insane, right? I know you think it's audience buy his course or her courses because he is an expert and experienced in his field. It's right, but he is a genius in his marketing and creates in your mind a FOMO. What do you mean FOMO? FOMO means fear of missing out. It knows how to persuade his audience mindset clearly to buy his course. It creates an urge in your mind to buy his course. They will tell you that this course has changed your life completely, and this is how the FOMO works. If you follow me, you should definitely check the course quality, its price, and its value before buying it. I know this type of courses are really good, but you need to understand it's good for you or not, because you need to try to solve it's your need or it's your want. Need and want is different from others. I think when you should buy the course when you need it, not want it, because wanted creates FOMO. So it creates a trap for you. So after covering Iman Ghazi, there are a number of people who are using the same way of building a personal brand, selling valuable digital courses and products. But you might be think how I do it all. So I give you a basic and understandable roadmap to create this type of position. So here it is, all the 6 steps to create this type of position. So step 1 is trying businesses and developing skills. Trying like dropshipping, freelancing, trading, agency and other, and most popular like AI automation and AI agents. I might be think as a beginner with low level of investment and low level of learning, start freelancing and agency business, high in profit and low in investment. I think freelancing and agency business as a beginner is a better move than dropshipping and trading, because he has a lot of investment to take care of, and as a beginner I think it creates a burden for you. So after that, the step number 2 is building a personal brand. And personal brand gives you a genuine audience who are interested to listen you. The world rapidly changing, so focus on short and micro personal brand, because a micro personal brand is interested to listen you, and it is easy to convince your audience for your upcoming projects. So the step number 3, after you creating both steps, focus on selling digital courses and products, and it is very easy to sell to your genuine audience, and you also know that it is a high profitable option for making insane amount of money. Step number 4 is about make an multi-income revenue source. Focus on different income revenue source, don't rely on a single one, because you are a creator or a business owner. It's not your passive income, it's fluctuate daily. So keep in mind and rely on multi-income revenue source. Step number 5 is about 2 main key elements, but before that, I think at this point audience might don't listen carefully, but it's very important because follows by everyone, whether it is a YouTuber or entrepreneur, service seller or a business owner, follows by everyone at every stage at every time. That is step number 5, consistency and adaptability. Be consistent whether you run an business or a personal brand, and be should adaptable because the world regularly shift towards a new one. So be adaptable and be updatable. So the last step of this process is step number 6, called believe in yourself. See, Virat Kohli, Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi are not being famous at one day, so it's take time. Also some famous entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg and more, they are focused only on their journey, not the end. So keep trying hard and be focused on today first. After that, you focus on tomorrow. This is just a beginning. I will be covering more strategies, success stories and actionable steps for you. You need to comment down what step that I take care for improving the video. And thank you for your being a part of this wonderful journey. Thanks a lot.